I'm back. Oh, that was hot up there. Whew. Sweating like a pig up there. Gotta be over 100 degrees up on top of them shelves. Okay, I don't have any pistons, that's the problem. All I've got is 2 different ones to use, and that's it. Let's see, I did check the heads, they do match the cylinders. Which, great, let's try to break something. I did check that before, so that's good. Okay. So, I got a set of 20 over KBs. And then I got a full race prepped set of coated race pistons for my race bike from '97. That are, I don't even have to buy these anymore. Don't really want to use them. And then I got a set of used Y cans matching with big port-ass heads. I don't know if I'm going to do that yet. Don't have anything else. Everything else is 30, 40 over. I think it's some 20 over cast too. So if I got a 20 over, I got something to work with. These should be Swing Tech coated. These are pricey. Oh yeah. I call it Swing Tech. These have been to Bonneville more than once. Just in case I needed them. Zero. Those are 10 over. Yeah, those are standard. So what size is the mic on this? No, we're 2. That's 2 even. Yeah, that's 10 over, 2 even. He's not 10. He's 20 over. Hot. He's 08. That's 20. I forget. 90 is standard. Okay. Yeah. So there we go. 20. All right. Good, because I didn't want to use my race pistons. The first time those seen air since '97 probably. I'm sure how they had those wrapped. Good. I don't want to use those anyway. My bike. Okay, so these are 20 over. Which is we are 20. Coated. Weird dome. Six and a half. Six and a half. One. Oh, good. They need to be honed a little bit. They're supposed to go in a 1 thou clearance. Alright, give me a set of pistons. Feel looser than 1 thou. Alright, what are we supposed to put these in at? Same sheet we had with the twin cam. This is cast iron cylinder. 2000. Yeah, right. 3.5 a stock. I don't think so. They don't know anything about ironheads. You wear that crap on a big twin, but I don't know, sportster. You just stick by it for. Oh, gross. When you measure, you get a little bit different size. Where there's no coating. About 6 3/4 on that one. Off the coating. Yeah, 6 5/8. Weird looking dome. One, 2.5. I'll go 1 thou tighter in stock, but I ain't gonna more than that. Yeah. That's the tight one. Okay, so those need to be opened up a little bit. What are we going to be at? 11. 11 on the mic. I got about 1.5 thou to take out. Okay. Alright. Yeah. What kind of compression these things have? Probably not much. They don't tell you anything. It's a secret. You're supposed to know what it is when you bought them. These are pretty low compression heads because the valves are sunk for big cans. Okay. Alright, well these are going to have to be honed out. Alright, well I'm hot enough, so might as well go get more heat into me. I'll do some honing. We'll be back.